Hi everyone, I'm Otto Miranda, and this is the first episode of our series on blockchain. Now, let me share something interesting. My co-host Jessica and I are represented as AI-generated characters in this video. But make no mistake, I'm a real person, here to learn alongside you about blockchain, breaking down the topic, and answering common questions. If you're starting like me, this is the perfect place to be.
Welcome! As Otto, our mission is to demystify blockchain. Even though I'm a virtual character, I promise the questions I'll ask today are the ones many of you probably have. Let's learn together and maybe even have some fun along the way.
Exactly, Jessica. Shall we get started? Hey everyone, welcome to today's episode. Let me ask you this. When you think of blockchain, do you picture an unbreakable digital fortress? A system so secure, it's basically untouchable? Well, what if I told you that it's not as perfect as it seems? In this episode, Jessica and I will dive into the truth behind the blockchain. What makes it revolutionary, where its vulnerabilities lie, and how it's already transforming industries far beyond cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a blockchain newbie or a tech enthusiast, stick around because this is going to be eye-opening.
Otto, you've definitely got me intrigued already. So, blockchain, this magical tech that's supposed to change the world, are you saying it has flaws?
That's right, Jessica. Blockchain is like the ultimate high-tech safe, nearly impossible to crack. But here's the catch. If someone leaves the key under the mat, it doesn't matter how secure the safe is, does it?
Oh, I love that analogy, Otto. You're saying the problem isn't the blockchain itself, but the things connected to it?
Exactly. The blockchain is secure, but the platforms and applications built around it, like cryptocurrency exchanges and digital wallets, can be vulnerable. And when those systems are compromised, the consequences can be huge.
Okay, Otto, now you've got to share some numbers. How big are we talking here?
Oh, Jessica, brace yourself. In 2022 alone, hackers stole $3.8 billion worth of cryptocurrencies. That's a 15% jump from the year before. And here's a shocking example. The Ronin Bridge hack. Hackers stole $625 million by exploiting a vulnerability in the game Axie Infinity's connection to Ethereum.
Wait a second. An online game lost over $500 million? Otto, how does something like that even happen?
It's wild, isn't it? The Ronin Bridge relied on just 9 validators to secure transactions. Hackers took control of 5, enough to approve fraudulent transactions. It's a perfect example of how a weak link in the chain can lead to massive losses.
Wow, so even though blockchain itself is solid, the ecosystem around it still has a lot to figure out. But blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrencies, right? Where else is it being used?
Great question. Blockchain is already making waves in industries like supply chain management. Take Walmart, for example. They're using it to track the origin of food products. This means they can identify contamination sources in seconds instead of days.
That's impressive. Imagine how much that could improve food safety. Any other cool examples?
Absolutely. In healthcare, blockchain helps verify the authenticity of medicines and streamline medical record management. And it's catching on. 91% of healthcare executives are already planning or using blockchain solutions.
Wow, Otto, that's massive. But let's talk about something that always comes up with blockchain: energy consumption. Isn't it infamous for being an energy hog?
You're right, Jessica. Energy consumption is one of blockchain's biggest challenges, especially with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin that use the proof of work consensus mechanism. Bitcoin alone consumes around 110 terawatt hours of electricity per year. That's more than countries like the Netherlands.
That's absurd, Otto. How can we justify that in a world fighting climate change?
It's a tough one. But the good news is, solutions are emerging. Ethereum, for instance, recently switched to a proof-of-stake system, which is far more energy efficient.
That's a relief. What about other blockchain applications? Are they as energy hungry as Bitcoin?
Not at all. Enterprise blockchain applications often use private networks, which are much more energy efficient. The real challenge lies with public blockchains used for cryptocurrency mining.
Got it. So, Otto, what's the future of blockchain? Will it really live up to the hype?
Jessica, blockchain has incredible potential, but it's not a silver bullet. it still needs to overcome challenges like scalability, regulation, and mass adoption. But when it works, it's game-changing. Imagine secure voting on your phone, or knowing the full history of every product you buy, how it was made, where it's been. That's the kind of future blockchain can enable.
That sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it feels like we're getting closer every day.
Exactly. And that's why discussions like this are so important. Blockchain has the power to bring transparency, efficiency, and trust to so many areas of our lives.
Otto, this has been such an eye-opener. I feel like we've barely scratched the surface.
Absolutely, Jessica. And to everyone watching or listening, what do you think? Is blockchain the future? Or is it just another passing trend? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode.
Thanks for joining us. Remember, the future is digital, but it's up to us to make sure it's safe, efficient, and sustainable. See you next time.
Bye for now.